So we will start with one solved problem. So that will be a revision of what we have done in previous class. So only A, that is 3, 9, 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now B, this side, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, now what is A union B? Overall 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 30, 36. What is the intersection? Common. Union means you have to combine A and B both. Intersection, only common thing. 6 and 12. Then only number of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only number of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both the side you have to tell. So number of A union B. Total 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Intersection only 2. These are the element list. These are the number of element in that group. Now two things, number of A plus number of B only. 5 plus 6, 11. The number of A union B, number of A intersection B. 9 plus 2. From that we can prove number of A union B plus number of A intersection B is equal to number of A, number of B. But whenever you want number of A union B, the final formula will be number of A, number of B minus number of A intersection B. Because intersection you have counted this side also, this side also. That's why we have to reduce that. So you will get the joint group, union group. Now come to the point 1.4. Simple example given. No set, no element, direct number of element. Number of A is 15 given. Number of B question. Union given 29. Intersection given 7. So as per this formula, number of A union B, number of A, number of B minus number of A intersection B, union given 29. A given 15, this is not given, this is given, intersection 7. So 15 minus 7, it is 8, plus number of B 29. This goes this side, 29 minus 8, It is number of B. So number of B is 21. So 21 plus 15, 36. 29 plus 7, 36. Correct? So you got this answer. Like this. Now a very good question. In a hostel there are 125 students. Wait. Wait, wait, let me check the frequency. Now see, voice and screen clear. It is fluctuating, no, that is why. Wait till 10 seconds because it is fluctuating. There are total 125 students. 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee, 20 drink both. $20. 80 minus 20. This is 60 minus 20. This is A, this is B, and this is A intersection B. And so first, total number of student 125. Correct. Now number of A, that is total 80 student drink tea. Number of B is equal to 60. Student drink coffee. Now it is improved. Wait. मेरा फेस मत देखो, बहुत फेस जो लिख के वेट मैं कर रहा हूँ, वेट मुझे टाइम तो दो बच्चा। यहाँ इतने सारे वायर है ना, तो लिखते भी बेस्ट। नाउ टेल मी, I think now signal is stable. Okay, thank you. A intersection B is equal to 20. Student drink tea and coffee both. This and this both. So 80 tea wale and common wale 20. So this drink only tea. From tea remove double, so only this will be 60. From 60 20 remove, so 40. 60 minus 40 20. Drink only coffee. So drink both, drink only tea, drink only coffee. And 7. Ex student not drink tea or coffee. Tea or coffee. So total number of student is equal to number of student drink only coffee, only tea, tea. Number of student drink only coffee. Number of student drink both tea and coffee. Number of student drink not tea or coffee. Total it is 4 part. Only coffee, only tea, both and none. So all are 125. Only tea 60. Only coffee 40. Both 20. None X. So this is 125. This total is 120. Therefore, X is equal to 125 minus 125. So, 5 students don't drink tea or coffee. This I would like to explain again by diagram. This is A, this is B. There are 125 students. हाँ say. Now signal is full. बोलो. हाँ. Wait. Total student 125. Here they have given 80. Here they have given 60. 60 including this, so here 20. So I want to remove both A and B. So this much part will be 80 minus 20, that is 60. And this much part, it is 60 minus 20, so 40. So 20 जो है tea and coffee both. 60 जो है only tea. 40 जो है only coffee. So only tea, only coffee, tea and coffee, and this blank part not for tea and coffee. So one part, both part, third part, fourth part, only tea, only coffee, both, and not taking both. So 4 group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total is 125. Now voice is clear, beta? Or any problem? So you can take screenshot. So after my lecture you can write, and you can also observe video again. Okay. On YouTube I am sending your all videos, and I am sending link to you also. You have to subscribe, so automatically you will get the video whenever 9th standard I will upload. So whenever I finish the board, now you have to take the screenshot. So very easily you can write at your time. Because parallelly you will write now in per week I will get only one lecture and 2 chapters. Then also, but for that you have to refer all the things. Here you have to refer only that screen for copy. In a competitive exam, 50 students pass in English, 60 students pass in maths, 40 students pass in both. None of them fail in both. But the number of students who pass at least in one subject. Total student 50. 50 student pass in English. In English 50 student. Maths 40. No one of them fail in both. 50 student pass in English, 60 student pass in maths. There are 40 students passing both English and maths. No one of them fail in both. So find the number of students who pass at least in one of the subject. Correct? No one in failing both. So E 50 number of students pass in English, number of students pass in maths, but 40 number of students pass in English and maths. So 50 minus 40, from 50 40 remove. 10 number of students pass only in English. Only in English. Joint, that joint student I have removed. From full 50, 40 remove. So only in English. 60 minus 40 is equal to 20. only maths. Correct. Now 50 student pass in English, 60 student pass in maths, 40 student pass in both. No one then fail in both. So fourth group is not there. Find the number of students who pass at least in one of the subject. So in both fail student 0. Therefore student who pass at least one subject, it is only English, only maths plus English and maths. That is only English 10, only maths 20 and both 40. So these 70 student. Again I am explaining. English group is 50, but among that 40 are passing maths also. So only in English 50 minus 40, it is 10. 60 student passing maths, but among that 40 passing both. So 60 minus 40, 10. So 10 only maths, 20 only maths, 10 only English, 40 both. So this plus this is equal to 70. At least pass in one, because fail in both there are no students. So this part we are not taking, empty part. Follow? Now first I do fifth, then I will write fourth. Universal is given. This is U, this is A, this is B, this is Mn, this is X, Y, Z, this is PQR. See how much answer we want. We want U, we want A, we want B. We will find all the things. A universal B, A intersection B, then A complement, B complement, A union B complement, A intersection B complement. This much answer we want. U means all. What is that? P, Q, R, M, N, X, Y, Z. Universal means all the elements which is appearing, write all. Only A, full A. So that is Mn, X, Y, Z. Only B, Mn, PQR. Union, A union B means A also, B also, common also. So all PQR, Mn, XYZ. Outside point is given. Let me check. Yes, ST is given. Sorry, S is given, T is given. So that will be universal. Correct. Now intersection means common. Now in complement, A dash means complement, B dash means B complement, A union B dash union complement, intersection complement. So how to write this? A complement means remove this from universal. So this and this will remove. So only PQR ST. B, full B you have to remove. Full B you have to remove. Means this you have to remove, this much. So XYZ ST. Now universal, this PQR MN XYZ, that you have to remove. PQR XYZ MN. So ST only remain. Intersection you have to remove. This you have to remove. Means PQR MN will not be there. XYZ ST. What is the meaning of complement? Again I am explaining. This part you have to remove. So rest is complement. A complement means full A you have to remove from this. This much remove. So this and this. B complement means B you have to minus from universal. Union complement means union you have to minus from this. So here 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 is there. These two are not there. So I have written this. Intersection MN. So remove MN. Write rest. So intersection or a complement means that number you have to reduce from the universe and rest you have to write. That is complement. Take a screenshot. Then it is a big question. So I Arey. Now see. Now see. एक सेकेंड now see अरे एक का मिनट I have changed the network now. Now see. Survey of conducting to know the hobby of 220 students of the class 9, out of which 130 students inform about their hobbies as rock climbing, 180 student sky watching, 110 both. Number of student have any of to have hobby. I have changed the internet this. Now see, now different source I am using. Total student 220. Again 4 group. Rock climbing group 180 student. Sky watching group 130. And both rock and sky 110. Not in rock and sky X. Total number of student 220. Number of student like rock climbing, that is 180. Number of student like sky watching 130. Number of student like both rock climbing and now see, okay, number of student don't like rock climbing and that is X, so this will be the fix. But number of student like only rock climbing, that is this 180 minus both, this is 120 110, we have to remove 180 minus 110, 70, this is 70. Number of student don't like RC or no, number of student like only sky watching this my only, so it is 20, that is 130 minus 110, it is 20. So first group, second group, third group, number of student don't like rock climbing or sky watching, don't like taken, this taken. Again rock climbing 180 but combine 110, that is also for sky watching, so 180 minus 110, so only rock climbing 70, sky watching total 130 but double in both 110 remove, so only 20 in sky watching, only sky watch, only rock climbing, like both 110, don't like both X. So these are the 4 groups. So total student is equal to number of student like only RC, number of student like only sky watching, number of student like both RC and SW, number of student don't like RC and SW. So this is given like only RC, rock climb that is 70, this is 20, both that is 110, and this is X, and total is given 220. Correct. So this is 70 plus 20 plus 110 plus X is equal to 220. 70, 80, 90, 200 plus X is equal to 220. X is equal to 220 minus 200. So X is equal to 20. Don't like rock climbing or sky watch. There are 4 groups. Only sky watching group 130 minus 110, 20. Second group only rock climbing 180 minus 110, so 170. Both and none, that is X. So 70 plus 20 plus 110 plus X is equal to total number of student, universal group. Take this as a screenshot. This is solution 4. This is 4. हाँ, अभिजीत सावंत. Okay. Now, student, in your exam, which will conduct in August as a first unit test, we will take 2 chapters from algebra, 2 chapters from geometry. It will be 20 marks question, this exam, maybe subjective, objective, or MCQ that we will inform you. And it is very wait. And I want 2 PTA member because all the class have given the name, only 9th B's remain. Madam is also giving me reminder again and again. I am also giving you reminder again and again. But this class is no full on very cool, high school. कितना भी मैसेज डालो कोई सुनता नहीं है, कोई हिलता नहीं है.